So here is how to make an origami tent, and this is my design, and I made it. So here we go. So I'm folding it from a sheet of printer paper, and that's like the only way you can fold it because from a square sheet of paper it won't actually work. But you're just gonna end up with a very thin tent, because here is the model when it's finished. So yeah, and it's already quite thin. So yeah, I would recommend using a piece of printer paper. So now take your piece of printer paper and fold it in half the long way, like this. And hold the layers down so it doesn't slide. Now we're gonna unfold it, and now we're gonna fold diagonally, but we're not gonna fold fully. So we're just gonna fold to where right at that point where those 2 points meet. So crease and then fold it the diagonal, and there. So now that we folded it, we're gonna repeat on the other side. And now that we've got this part, you can see something like this. So we're gonna now fold it and repeat on the other side like this. So now we've got something that looks like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it in half, but as we fold it in half, we fold on these two pieces. So now we've got some sort of mountain shaped thing like this. So now this is the preparation for our next fold, because this is the only tricky part of this model. So we're gonna take this edge and crease it over to the middle crease, and then crease it down. So now you've got something like this. So we're gonna take it and fold that part down like this. And now repeat on the other side. And so now we've got something like this. And we're gonna fold on this edge and then fold on this edge. So you can probably start and see this part is starting to look like this. But we aren't there yet. So we are gonna repeat what we just did on this side to this side. So here we go. So now if you want to, you can say it's done, but I don't want to because if we look on the inside, we have these flaps. They're just hanging around here doing nothing. So, and it looks kind of ugly. So if you don't want that to happen, here's what. I'm going to open this part so you can see. So what we are going to do is we're going to fold on this edge. Then we're going to open it up and hide it behind. And then fold this edge to the crease and fold it behind. Now tuck it underneath and inside the pocket like that. Now we're going to repeat on the other side. So fold this edge down, fold this edge and hide it behind, fold it on that crease like that and behind. So you've gotten something like a tent, but we're almost done. So now we're just gonna fold this edge down just a super tiny bit, like that. As you can see right there, like that, and repeat that on the other side. And there we go. Here is the origami tent. Bye.